Yes.
My lord, by this application, we have challenged the impugned order dated 26/3/2024 as well as the issuance of the so called notice in relation to service tax matter, my lord.
In relation to?
In relation to service tax.
Yes.
The reason for preferring this appeal, my lord, that the impugned so cause notice as well as the impugned order is without authority. In
without
what manner?
authority.
Without authority. In what manner it is without jurisdiction? Let me complete, my lord.
Where is the
And the impugned order is in violation of the principle of natural justice, as no opportunity was provided. Although in
You
the
are
order,
making these submissions in view of the fact that there is an alternative remedy available.
my lord,
You are making this submission so as to show that your case comes within the exceptions.
within exceptional case. My
All
lord.
right. Please proceed.
First of all, my lord, taking the page number 43, this is the part of this impugned so cause notice, my lord, Annexer 1,
Page 43.
43, my lord,
43.
43, 44, para 3.3,
3.3.
yes.
Yes.
My lord, may I take page 43, para 3.2,
Yes.
Form 26AS. It appears from the Form 26AS annual tax statement under Section 303AA of the Income Tax Act 1961 that the said noticee has earned the following consideration against rendering the services during the period from October 2015 to June 2017 from different entities as under, and the details is in the table, my lord. So these are the amount which reflected in my Form 26AS under the income tax provisions, my lord. Under the income tax provisions. Under the income tax provision, my lord, what happened if any transaction is liable to be deducted at tax at source under the income tax, that is reflected in Form 26AS. Now, my lord, from the above, I am reading the bottom paragraph, my lord. From the above, it appears that during period from October 2015 to June 2017, the said noticee has earned consideration from PWD Government of Assam and from Sports Authority of Assam, for which relevant work order contract documents have been submitted as mentioned under para 3.1 above. Further, it also appears from the Form 26AS that they have received consideration from other entities such as Director of Border Area Assam, Nipul Kolita, and Mrs. Jaychan Lal Singhi, for which no work order, contract document, bills, etc. has been submitted to ascertain the date of execution of contract, nature of work undertaken, etc. All the transactions have been recorded under Section 194C of Income Tax Act 1961, which deals with the provision of tax deducted at source at the time of payment to contractor, subcontractor. Now, my lord, continuing para 3.3, balance sheet and profit and loss account. The scrutiny of balance sheet, my lord.
What has happened?
In this entire service tax was demanded on the basis of income tax record and on the reason that they are failed to ascertain. My lord, only one.
And according to you, this is without jurisdiction
because the service tax liability is charged as per the charging of the Service Tax Act, not by the income tax provision, my lord. There may be crores of rupees under the income tax. For that purpose, my lord.
Where is the impugned notice?
Impugned order is 132.
What is the interim that you are seeking today?
My lord, For that purpose, my lord, that similar matter is already decided by this honorable court, and I have annexed the order, that is page number 176, my lord.
Page number?
176.
Yes.
And relevant para is from 4.
Is
my
this applicable, Mr. Kayal?
What's it?
This order? The similar order?
Yes, some cases are pending. Yes.
Some cases are
Pending.
interim orders are there?
Yes.
So then we'll issue notice.
No, Lordship, that is, I have no objection to that. But Lordship, recently, this honorable court, in similar type of matter, said that when the alternative remedy is there, it is not maintained.
No, but then if this similar issues of this
Then,
nature,
Lordship, question of maintainability may be kept.
yes,
open.
yes, yes. There's no difficulty.
Lordship. And regarding Lordship, another point, my learned friend submitted that there is a violation of principle of natural justice. Absolutely.
I'm not going into all that now because you see, if I go into that, you will be prejudiced later, or he may get prejudiced if I make any comments right now. So I'll say that you have raised the issue, and I'll keep it open.
Yes.
And my lord,
All right.
regarding the interim order also,
Yeah.
there are other orders also, my lord.
Give me one of them. Don't give
My
me
lord,
more than
my
one.
lord.
No, that is, I am admitting Lordship. In some cases, Lordship has passed, no course of action.
Only because of that, you see. Yes, your name? S.K.
V.K.
Singh.
Chopra.
Huh?
V.K. Chopra.
Heard Mr. V.K. Chopra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. S.A. Kayal, learned senior
Standing Council, GST.
senior standing counsel, right?
Okay.
Senior standing counsel,
GST.
GST.
Respondent number 234.
For respondent numbers
234.
2, 3, and 4. Anybody else? For one,
Central Government Council is
S.S. Roy and Mr. S.S. Roy, learned CGC for R1. Stop.
Since similar matters are
by,
pending,
by way of this instant petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 23/4/2021 is challenging inter alia the order dated, which is the order by which it was
26/3/2024.
order dated 26/3/2024, passed by the respondent number 2, respondent number 3,
Three, my lord.
passed by the respondent number 3, confirming the demand of service tax for an amount of rupees,
My lord.
16 lakh 4,000
16,
1604 1604
04738.
8
Are you sure?
and interest and penalty also.
It is 16.
16 lakhs 4,738.
Please give it in a piece of paper, the figure. And imposing a further penalty of
10,000.
10,000
Let's say impose another penalty of equal amount of the service tax also.
and another penalty equivalent amount of the service tax.
Lordship.
On the ground that although the services referred in the impugned order were covered under the exemption notification, yet the impugned order has been passed only on the basis of AS 26
This is 26 years.
26 AS within bracket A. No, 26
On
AS statement
of income tax.
filed with the income tax department. Stop. Mr. V.K. Chopra submits that similar matters are pending before this court wherein interim orders are operating. Stop. Mr. S.A. Kayal, learned standing counsel GST, submits that in view of the fact that there is an alternative efficacious remedy available, the instant writ petition is not maintainable. Stop. Issue notice returnable in 6 weeks. Mr. Kayal accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4. Mr. S.S. Roy accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Extra copies within the course of the day. Stop. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, comma, it is hereby provided that no coercive steps shall be initiated against the petitioner on the basis of the order dated 26/3/2024 until further orders.
Much obliged.
Stop. Next, needless to clarify that the issue of maintainability of the instant writ petition as raised by the learned counsel for the respondent shall be kept open.
Not
Stop.
Much
Much
obliged.
List after 4 weeks is list after date to be fixed by the registry. Should I say along?